Welcome to Ravenwood Academy, young wizard. And normally, this is where you'd be enrolled and sent to your classes. But times are not normal. There's some kind of supernatural incursion in Unicorn Way that must be dealt with immediately. I wonder. You've demonstrated such potential, I think practical experience will serve you better than lectures. Care to put your talents to the test? Splendid! Time is of the essence, so I'll teleport you there directly. Seek out Private Connolly, the Wizard City Guard.
Welcome to Unicorn Way. There are creatures here who will attack.
Whoa, young student.
Wizard, do you see the symbol above Private Connolly's head?
What's that? You say the headmaster sent you to help us? This used to be a pledge to...
While your character is transparent, you are safe from combat, but it only lasts for a short time. Get to the sidewalk before it wears off.
That's the tide, but I'm...
Oh, hey there, I'm Saren. I could...
I'm glad I overheard you two wizards talk about
Congrats! Not every title is as easy to gain as the one you have gotten. Good luck in the tougher challenges.
Ye got guts, little wizard, more than us to be sure, but ye be no match for that which rattles in the darkness.
I don't...
To put on.
Oh, wow! There is...
Halt! What purpose brings you into our hedge maze? Forgive me, young wizard. These dark times make me leery of new faces. But now I see the light within you. We've much to discuss. The evil forces that loosed the undead upon Unicorn Way have also corrupted my precious fairies. Please, you must help them. Vile bone cages have appeared along Unicorn Way. They are filled with a mysterious dark magic that corrupts all fairy folk who venture near them. Dispel the dark magic in the bone cages, then bring me fairy dust from those it corrupted. It may reveal to me who is behind this atrocity. It pains me to say it, but the only way to obtain the fairy dust is to wrestle it from the dark fairies in combat. Try to be gentle. Once you've dispelled the bone cages and collected the fairy dust, return to me immediately. Good luck, young wizard. May the light guide you.
you hear a tiny, joyful voice call your name.
Thank you for helping us, kind wizard. Your courage and benevolence will not soon be forgotten by the fairy folk.
You've cemented your reputation as a hero to the fairy folk, young wizard. With the bone cages dispelled, I can help the other corrupted fairies in time. Now we must root out who is behind this attack. Please, let me examine the fairy dust. Is that? But how? The fairy dust displays scars of a dark magic banished from this world long ago. Could it be? Rattle in the darkness? Rattlebones. In life, a ruthless tyrant who was banished to the underworld for his crimes. If I focus, perhaps I can sense his location. Oh, so much darkness. No, my vision is obscured. All I see is a tower ringed in bones. Siren Nightchant knows Unicorn Way. Perhaps he can help. You must hurry. Here, take this broom. It will allow you to travel to Siren much faster. Now fly, and may the light guide you.
You've received a temporary to it.
You were gone for so long, I was beginning to worry you'd run off and joined a skeletal pirate crew. But what did Lady Oriel have to say? Oriel thinks an underworld tyrant named Rattlebones is behind all this? Wicked. Let me think. He's in a tower ringed in bones. Well, the skeletal pirates do seem to be concentrated around the old archives. Try looking there. Here, I'll mark it on your map.
Good work, my thrall. This could be the tome Barrister seeks. Now what's this? A wizard? Excellent. I could use a combat break. Let's play.
day is yours, young one. But the Dark Master's plan is already in motion. You haven't heard the last rattle in the darkness.
In his haste to leave, Rattlebones dropped the tome he was holding. It could be important. Perhaps Saren will know what should be done with it. As you walk back onto Unicorn Way, you can't help but notice that the dark magic that was previously choking the street seems to have abated.
You did it, didn't you? You beat Rattlebones! The darkness plaguing Unicorn Way is lifting! Look! With Rattlebones defeated, the guards should be able to drive away the rest of the undead horde. Ooh, that tome looks important. You should take it to the library in the Commons. Harold Argleton will know what to do with it.
Well, hello there. I don't think I've seen you in the library before. I'm Harold Argleton, Master Librarian Extraordinaire. You say you recovered this tome from an underworld tyrant who was going to give it to his Dark Master. Alistair? I do believe this is a matter of Headmaster Ambrose. You should take the tome to him at once. But before you go, allow me to reward you for your heroics. Please accept this treasure card I have. It isn't the wizard's.
Treasure cards are special. One spells very cool. You can purchase treasure cards from vendors or craft them yourself. Press E to open your spell deck. During combat, remember, unlike regular spell, treasure cards can only be used once. So use them wisely.
You're back. I'm anxious to hear your update on Unicorn Way. Even the darkness summoned from the underworld. Rattlebones inside, but he was banished centuries ago. How could he? Of course. Rattlebones searching the Unicorn Way archives to visit home. Let me see what it is on the trail of the Order of Fair. Oh, I was looking into this while I aimed at you need to develop your non-lethal movement. If you are to truly master your medical talents, we will induct you officially into our academy. I'll send you now to the Lincoln, our registrar in Ravenwood. He will introduce you to our professors and help you begin your studies.
I many.
You must be the new student I've heard so much about. You made quite an name for yourself on Unicorn Way. I'm Mr. Lincoln, and I just have some quick paperwork to get you enrolled. Your initial there. Here. Are you allergic to unicorns or eyes of newt? Good. That takes care of that. To complete your enrollment, come meet your professors.
Welcome. I am the Professor of the Ice. Doing my and handling all attacks.
While in the storm, we have strong divine strike hard. Faster thinking.
before they know it. We pyromancers of the fires prefer to carefully fan the flames, utilizing damage over time bells. We slow burn our enemies to cinder. Commanding the elements is indeed repressive, but they're just a life school seeking harmony with nature, which gives us the power to heal others.
Sorcerers also harmony, demonstrating all things, balancing unique magic to Rockatopia, which supports and enhances the other schools. Fireballs and flowers, fresh magic that. Some monsters to fight for us, but only better conjurers dare study the ways of it.
And I'm not exactly a professor. We haven't had a real death professor since last one turned evil in Destroyed School, so... But I can get you started at being a necromancer. Our death spells drain health from enemies, damaging them, and healing ourselves at the same time.
Now, young thaumaturge, I'll take you to the ice school so I can properly induct you into our wonderful wintry world. Nice of you to join us, wizard. Oh, Lydia, you're such a card. I am Lydia Grayrose, and it's my honor to teach you the secrets of ice magic. Come back here regularly to learn new spells. I'll also summon you periodically to teach you powerful spells only available to ice wizards. For your first lesson, train the snow serpent spell. Then return to Mr. Lincoln to confirm that your enrollment is complete.
You're already learning multi-pip spells? Oh, splendid! At the beginning of each round of combat, you gain a pip. You use these, like mana, to power spells. Some spells, like this one, take more than 1 pip to cast. To use it, pass a turn, or cast a 0 pip spell to build up your pip supply.
You've met your professor. Great! You can train spells in your school for free. But to learn other school spells, you must spend training points. Here, I'll give you one now. Use it to start training a secondary school. And if you change your mind later, see me to buy back training points. Anyway, now that you're enrolled, you get your own dorm room to store items and decorate however you want. This is the boys' dorm here, and this is the girls' dorm. You can also use the Go Home button to reach your dorm room from anywhere. Once you get settled in, report to the headmaster.